What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I told you that we're back. We are back in full steam mode. It's show season, and today we're going to be doing some cool shit to the Porsche. We're going down to Q-beams today, and let's see what we're gonna fit in the car today. So, a few things about the Porsche. It's not, how can I say? It's not fast. It's not overpowered or like the Cayman S or the GTS or the GT4. It's not a lot of power that you can put down where the wheels will spin or so forth. However, it is, and I speak under correction, about 200 kilowatts and 210 newton meters of torque. I'll pop something up on the screen here that says the correct figures, but it's enough for a driver's car where you can flat-foot it around the mountain or the roads, and it sticks. One thing I like about the car is that it's very direct, so where I point the steering wheel is where the car goes immediately. There's no delay or no play in anything. The car is stiff, but it's also very comfortable, and that's the thing I enjoy about this car. The cool thing is it's two-seater. Fun fact, I've always wanted a S2000. I was never a Honda guy, but a two-seater with the high RPM of a S2000, I don't think you can beat it. But I think the Porsche has something on it for sure. I mean, this is the pinnacle of German engineering, although it doesn't have all the PASM buttons for your dampening for sport mode, sport plus. We only have one sport mode, and I think it wakes the car up a bit more because in eco or normal mode, it's so lazy. Let's see if we can open up a bit here. And the amazing thing I love is that the inductions are on the side of the car because of it being a mid-mount engine. There's nothing, you're always expecting your induction noise from the front, where it's coming from behind you and on either side of your ears, and I think that's what keeps the car alive for me and the driving force, because at any moment I can put down and this, how can I say, it's almost like it's an orchestra of induction noises coming through, and I can't explain it, but yeah, it's super cool, that's for sure. So we just got here to Q-beams in Blackheath. They're going to jack up the car now and fit the coilovers. Let me show you what it looks like beforehand. So currently we have about 3 fingers gap. I'll try and bring it down to at least there to cover the gap. We also got some wheel spaces, so we'll see if we need it. So these are the coilovers. Got them from my friend Shane, who gifted to me by him. It was on his 981, but they fit the 987 as well. Or it was on his 987, it fits the 981. We have Daniel taking off the wheels to jack the car up now. So we got the car in the air here. So that's the original struts. Alex is busy taking off the other side. It's the wheels. So I don't know if I should go in with a smaller tire, because it's a 45 profile, not a 40. Just to make the car seat much better on the road. Obviously the meat is the better look. I'm not sure if it's going to give much lowering, to be honest. So Alex just finished the car now. It took approximately
6 hours to do. It's one of the longest coilover installs because everything, they were just trying to figure out everything and how to do the rear. The best way was to take off everything, the knuckle, the hub, and just do it outside the car and then put it back into the car. So check here, we have like a 1 finger gap around the car everywhere, and I think it's sitting pretty good now. There we go. So looking pretty solid there. Check this side out. Yeah, super happy. Yo guys, what's up? We're back. It's a new day. Yesterday we fitted the coilovers, and today we're going to get the car aligned, wheels aligned, and just do a bolt check to make sure that everything is 100%. I have the coilover set on very soft. I think I need to click it up a bit to make it more stiff, but let's go check that out. We just had the car cleaned, took some snaps, did some cinematic shots. I'm so happy with how the car turned out. It rides extremely well, I must say. I'm still getting used to driving the car low because I used to drive the car a bit faster than usual. But yeah, so far so good, enjoying it. This is the first step now for show season. I did want to do some air suspension on the car. Sorry, I'm just out of breath. It's so windy and sandy outside. Literally washed the car and it's dirty again. But then next step is wheels. I am going to do exhaust on the car, like a louder exhaust, and eventually air suspension. I do want to put on a GT4 front bumper, but it's so damn expensive. So let's see what the future holds for the car. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of the process of both cars coming soon. Peace.